Hey, what's up? How you doing today? Oh, that's dope. You wanna get out of here? Well, okay. Always on my mind. Girl, I think about you all the time. We can take our time, maybe wine slow. Baby, I've been thinking lately, driving me crazy every time you play me. And baby, I just want you daily. Come on, be my lady. We can just be lazy and go slow with the flow. But I'ma always make sure that I let you know you're that girl, got that sauce. And I wonder why I'm always getting lost. Young boy with the awkward flow. Never have I ever felt like this before. I can promise ain't no average Joe. Been stacking that Insta for a year or so. But hit my Motorola, we can cruise and get some soda. I'm a gangster, let me show you now. Girl, watch me crank that soldier. And you're always on my mind. Girl, I think about you all the time. We can take our time, maybe wine slow. Baby, I've been thinking lately, driving me crazy every time you play me. And baby, I just want you daily. Come on, be my lady. We can just be lazy and go straight. I've been thinking lately, driving me crazy every time you play me. And baby, I just want you daily. Come on, be my lady. We can just be lazy and go slow. What's left to tell you? All your things are at the door.
All at the door.
Think I'm going crazy? No, you are driving me insane. Why you calling me right now? Don't wanna hear you run your mouth. Every time you speak it only brings me down. Always seem to hit the ground every time you come around. Baby, I don't know why I am falling down. Baby, I don't think of you, and I hope I never do. But I still don't know why I am falling down. Baby, I don't think of you, and I hope I never do. But I still don't know why I am falling. Still hazy, the way you played me. But I won't listen to your bullshit anymore. You put me through hell, you put me to the test. Don't know if you could tell, but I really must confess. Girl, you got me fucked up if you thinking I'm next. And that shady line of men you got hiding in your text. Why you calling me right now? Don't wanna hear you run your mouth. Every time you speak it only brings me down. Always seem to hit the ground every time you come around. Baby, I don't know why I am falling down. Baby, I don't think of you, and I hope I never do. But I still don't know why I am falling down. Baby, I don't think of you, and I hope I never do. but I still don't know why I am falling down. Baby, I don't think of you, and I hope I never do, but I still don't know why I am falling down. Baby, I don't think of you, and I hope I never do, but I still don't know why I am falling down. So glad you hit me back, girl. I thought you never asked. I would love to take you out tonight. It's our first night on the town. No, I'm acting like a clown, but my brain, I swear it's shutting down. Oh, you don't know what you do to me. No, you don't. Even though I drink whiskey, she drinks wine, still adore her all the time. You're my lady, my everything. Don't need no doctor, you're my medicine. Give me my prescription, baby, I'm listening. Here's my attention, love and affection. Girl, you know I want you 24/7, and I know that you are such a blessing. Oh, I didn't know what I was missing until that day you stepped into my kitchen. Got so high, probably not a good decision, 'cause now, girl, you are my number one addiction. Oh, you don't know what you do to me. No, you don't. Even though I drink whiskey, she drinks wine, still adore her all the time. You're my lady, my everything. Don't need no doctor, you're my medicine. You're my medicine. I drink whiskey, she drinks wine, still adores her all the time. You're my lady, my everything. Don't need no doctor, you're my medicine. Hold on, actually, that'd be kinda cool. Okay, fuck.
Just keep going.
I think I'm starting to get it though. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm just gonna take
The last one was so good.
Was it?